Hi, today we are going to see how to install Instagram on PC. First of all, open your Microsoft account. Here in the search bar, type Instagram. Then you can find Instagram app. Click on it. After that, click on Get. Here you can see the downloading has started. Here click on Open. Then you can see Instagram app has been installed. Then you can use Instagram app on your desktop or PC. So that's how to install Instagram for PC. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.